They had trouble making eye contact, as do many children on the autism spectrum. Then, one day, Roz sat down to play the piano, and the boys came running towards her. Wide, eager smiles met her, and then, there it was, eye contact, and so much more. Not only did she discover that both boys had perfect pitch, but Thomas could also play piano by ear. Today, Thomas and Nicholas play multiple instruments, and they are active musicians in the community. They use their singing to connect with and serve others. You can find them leading songs at local schools and performing at events throughout the year. They recently sang at Ought to Run. This is a fundraiser to generate acceptance and awareness of children and adults with autism. Music has given them confidence, friendship, and life-changing experiences. This evening, we are honored to have them with us as our 2017 Network Nightingale. Nicholas and Thomas won our annual contest, which invites people receiving support from the Mentors Network to share their vocal talents. Individuals submit a song, and one singer, or in this case two, is selected to add their voices to this evening's joyful celebration. These exceptional young men receive support from our program in Oxnard, California. Please join me in welcoming Thomas and Nicholas Romero.
Thank you very much. Hi, and welcome to 2017 Network Nightingale. And our names are Nicholas and Thomas Benjamin Romero. Hi. We really want to give a big talk about that. It's a really honor to have me and Nicholas be part joining Network Nightingale in Boston, Massachusetts for the first time. And we hope you enjoy our very first performance here in Boston.
I'm Nicholas Romero.
And the first song that we're going to be singing is from the Disney film Hercules in 1997, and it's called Go the Distance. And hope you like our version as much as we do. Okay? Thank you.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right back.
If I can be strong,
I know every mile
will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. You guys are absolutely beautiful. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I love you all, you guys.